There's something just so magical about an autumn path with all the beautiful shades of colors, the wind softly blowing. Everything's quiet. I just love it. Well, I'm out here in the peace and quiet, enjoying the last of the autumn season. And I think autumn is now my favorite season of the whole year. It never used to be because I never knew autumn. For over 20 years, I would get up at 5:30 in the morning when it was dark and come home at 5:30 at night when it was dark, and worked in a building where all the windows were covered, so I never saw autumn. I never heard autumn. I never smelled autumn. I never appreciated autumn. I didn't even know what it was until I finally got off of the merry-go-round and got out of the rat race. And now I love it so much, but why is it so fast and so brief? It's here just for a few weeks and then it's gone. So I'm out here enjoying the last of it. And Thanksgiving is in a few days. So we are now entering the busy Thanksgiving season. And I think I have to get back to the apartment homestead and start doing some cleaning. We're having guests and it's holiday time, so I think it's time to start sprucing things up a bit. So why don't you stick around? It might motivate you to get some cleaning done for your house. Let's go. This curtain is going off to the laundromat. And then I'm going to repaint this. There. And we have a new tub mat. Fresh. Beautiful eucalyptus. Take that and smell beautiful. Old dirty liner is coming down. And new clean liner going up.